Hello, welcome back to my channel. I remain myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. All right, so today, very fast, I want to show you, what's it called? When I say very fast, someone is like, oh, you'll be fast again today. No, calm down. Right? Okay, so it's, I just said I'm not going to waste time. So, I want to show you a passing lick from 6 to 2 most times. Look at this song. Holy, holy, holy to the Lamb. So let's do something there. So when we did oh holy one, then we came to the 5. Oh holy. So on that 6, before la the re from 6 to 2, there's something you can do instead of just holding this chord. So let's look at that. So we'll do something like this. Oh holy one, then so there holy. So instead of doing this 6 chord, 6 what was it, major chord to your 6 is always minor. Instead of doing minor or minor, anyone, instead of doing but this major, right? Instead of doing to 2, so just whatever key you are, you do your 6, your minor 2, minor second, so that's it. Then you play your this diminished chord, your 5, your flattened 7th, and your 3. So you do pa 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 pa. So let's look at another song. El Shaddai, El Shaddai, Elohim and Adonai, I will praise your lifting up. El Shaddai, El Shaddai. So before going to 2, so it's just like a passing chord to the 2. So most times from 6 to 2. So one more time, let me show you very slowly. This is the lesson and you're already seeing it, right? So you do your C. El Shaddai. So let's say we're in the key of F sharp. And you want to go to your 2, so you do. So you do your 6 all the way to minor second, or your sharp 1, whatever you want to call that. All right. So and then you pick your 5, flattened 7th, and then your 3. Pa 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 Shaddai. Let's check that in the key of C. So you want to go from 6 to 2. So so whatever you are, you just once you do 1 pa 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 pa. For the key of G, let's do that G last. So you do so your 6, flattened 7th, 7th to 1, sharp 1, so that's that. And then of course you hold this your diminished 5 chord diminished on it. So that's it. Ba 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 ba. El Shaddai, El Shaddai, Elohim Adonai, I will praise your lifting up. El Shaddai. So please click the subscribe button for many more. God bless you. Bye.